Okay, top 5 coins. I mean, I would just use the platform, but just me personally, not looking at price because the entry point does matter. So obviously, use the platform to figure out when to get in. But coins that we currently like, Stellar is undervalued as a cross-chain narrative play. Injective as a Cosmos ecosystem play for DeFi. Solana, I mentioned that as an L1 play that I think is undervalued, but has had a good past that I think could bounce back. Polygon, I think Polygon is the next Ethereum. So let's say you still want to be part of the Ethereum ecosystem, but Ethereum is too high of a FTP. It's a large cap. It's number 2 in FTP in market cap. But you want to have exposure to the Ethereum ecosystem. There's something that can potentially outperform Ethereum. What would you go with, right? So this is where I kind of veer off the beaten path. So investor grade is 76, is coming down. Obviously, not really a good time to enter at this moment. The metric I like to look at is correlation, right? So correlation is a metric that goes from -1 to +1. The zero being that it's not correlated at all. But if it's -1, it's negatively correlated, meaning that if ETH goes up, Polygon will go down. But if you see here, Polygon and Ethereum have a 0.9 correlation with each other. Pretty much they move the same. If ETH goes up, Polygon goes up. ETH goes down, Polygon goes down. So basically holding Polygon and ETH is basically holding the same thing. But Polygon obviously has a lower FTV than Ethereum, 10 billion versus ETH. ETH is what, 200 billion FTV or market cap? Now it's a lot lower. ETH FTV, okay, it's down a lot, 170 billion. So basically, if you have ETH and Polygon in your portfolio, you're basically holding the same thing. So you can find 170 billion FTV versus Polygon's 10 billion FTV. I'd rather have Polygon because I think Polygon next cycle is going to do well. They have a great biz dev team, especially the next Ethereum. It's basically holding Ethereum at a lower FTV. Polygon can move a lot faster than ETH. So to me, that's the play. And then same thing with LDO. Actually, LDO has a good investor grade. So now's a pretty good time to be an LDL at this price point. LDL has a correlation with ETH of 0.74, so also pretty high, but also actually highly correlated with Aptos and Optimism. I'm surprised it has higher correlation with Aptos than ETH. That's a surprise, honestly. I would sell, I know very controversial, I would sell my ETH, buy Polygon, because they're basically moving the same, and it has a lower FTV. And then you can diversify by getting something else that's uncorrelated, such as Solana. That's kind of the way I view this. So those are my top 5 coins right now, not financial advice.
Thank you for watching that video, but be sure to tell a friend that not being in crypto is a financial crime. And click the video down below to get even more alpha in the next video.